So there were some rule changes that were made at the end of December regarding many factors, but this one in particular is the Employee Retention Tax Credit, sometimes known as ERC or ERTC. The changes, you can now have both ERC and PPP loans. That was not in play last year in 2020. So it's going to require, some planning and analysis to maximize the number where it's available. The amount you can deduct this year is higher than last year. But to get there, and part of the rules is it covers these quarters, quarter 1, 2020, the end of the quarter, to the end of quarter 2 of 2021. So it's up to basically almost 6 complete quarters. Part of the reasons to qualify, and there's several reasons, but these are the main ones. Your quarter 1, 2020 versus your quarter 1, 2021, the revenue drop must be greater than 20%. Same goes for quarter 2 versus quarter 2. The revenue drop must exceed 20%. You cannot use PP loan 2 loan wages for the same wages. Same for PPP 1. You cannot duplicate them. The credit for this year is 70% of up to $10,000 of wages, excluding the owner, per quarter, per employee. So that means it's a 600% rate of return. On one employee, let's say you pay 10% taxes. It's a high number, but let's say it's 10%. You're going to get back $7,000 for that employee. Also, special rules may apply. You do not have to be closed to qualify for ERC. In addition, you don't have to have a revenue drop of 20%. If your business is not at full capacity, you may qualify for ERC even if your revenues do not go down by 20% over quarter. This we determine on a case-by-case basis. So, kind of in summary, to maximize the numbers, this is what people are not talking about. You hear about the loans, yes. This is where the money's at. For many of you, this is where the money can be at because you can do both. With the right planning in conjunction with these PP loans, it's possible to maximize out not only part of last year, potentially, but also this year, if possible, where if you have a revenue drop of 20%, or if you're in a case-by-case basis, you qualify because you're not operating at full capacity. That's restricted. It doesn't apply to all businesses, so it is restricted. So we can definitely assist with this. This is actually very complicated, very time consuming. It's got to be worked out what numbers to use, what numbers not to use. So if you need any help, let us know. There's an email to this where to say, yep, help me out or something of that nature. Many things that we're looking at right now for PPP2, we've already known we can see where the opportunities already exist for last year, and potentially we're gonna need some help from you if you think you're going to qualify for this year. So again, if you need any assistance, let us know. It is very different now that the new rules have come out. It is much more attractive. Currently expires at the end of June. Currently, we do not know if those will be extended or new rules will come into play in the next couple months. So again, any questions, let us know. Thanks. Bye.